EasyPhone has a rich SOS functionality that is specially designed for the seniors to find help easily during the time of emergency. In this segment, we will describe setting up the SOS feature. The SOS button is situated at the back of the phone, just beside the camera lens. However, it is slightly lowered from the surface design so that the SOS button can be easily located in the dark. But to use this feature, following steps have to be used. Unlock the phone by long pressing the right side key. Now, select the menu option and navigate to Settings. Then, press OK to enter the settings. For the conveniences of the user, the SOS setting is given on the top. Press OK to enter. After entering the SOS setting, you need to perform the following steps. As the feature is off by default, first we need to turn it on. Now you can enter your SOS numbers by pressing OK. You can enter the numbers of up to 5 people whom you want to contact in case of an emergency. Make sure to include numbers of close family members, friends, and at least one neighbor who lives close by. You can't set any number in the first slot as that is kept for the internal use. From slot number 2 to 6, you can enter one number in every slot. After you have entered 5 numbers or lesser, as per your convenience, press Save. Here, you need to remember 2 very important points. You can only put numbers here, no corresponding names. You can set numbers from your phone book, so even if you have saved those numbers before, you have to manually input them again. After saving your numbers, you will see SMS status on/off. The SMS status comes off by default, and we recommend that you turn it on as it helps in sending a message along with the outgoing call to the emergency contact. After turning the SMS status on, you can read your text message that your emergency contacts would receive. The standard message is, "This is an emergency situation
and I need help.
Please call back immediately." If you wish, you can edit the message and add the user's name at the end, or rewrite the message altogether. You can save your changes by pressing Save option and you are done. The next setting is SOS siren on/off. This siren is activated to gather local attention when the SOS button is long pressed. Like every other feature, it is also off by default. The last and most useful setting in the SOS is the personal information, where you can update 5 crucial details about the EasyPhone user, including their blood group, doctor's name, doctor's number, insurance policy number, and name of the insurance company. These details, along with the user's location, are a part of a second SMS that gets triggered to the emergency contacts activated. Now, finally we are all set to use the SOS feature of EasyPhone.